Hey guys, what's going on? Well, I had a request to do a GMC Envoy, so I found one here. Here I found a 2003 GMC Envoy color tan, and I'm going to be giving a complete in-depth tour of the Envoy. We'll start off. I'm going to show you all the engine, and as well as show us a bunch of the performance details and the data on the interior and the exterior of the Envoy. And today I'm at Automark Corporation in Hanover, Massachusetts. So let's get started. This one's the GMC Envoy SLE. Get your power windows, get your power locks, full power driver seat, it'll be my first GMC Envoy on my channel. So let's go ahead and fire it up. This one's got 101,000 miles. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Very nice. Very nice. Let's go ahead and cut the headlights, pop the hazards, pop the hood. Both front windows are automatic. Now I'll show you the exterior. Got your heated mirrors. Easy to step on there when to get in the vehicle. These GMC Envoys sound just like the Chevrolet Trailblazers. Let's go ahead and pop the fog lights. I always wanted to check out an Envoy. Alright, I'll show you the engine now. Alright, it's got the Vortec 4200 6-cylinder engine. This looks exactly like the engine in my 2004 Chevrolet Trailblazer. Sounds perfect. Alright, I will now show you the interior. Alright, let's see how she sounds. It's got the Bose sound system. It's got the it's got the CD player tape deck combo. Got your 4-wheel drive on the bottom there. Got your rear windshield wipers. Get your outlet there. You have another. You got extra outlets there. You got 3 outlets up here. Got your cup holder there. You got a cup holder here. Easy to use climate control system. You got different zones. Got your garage home link. It's a very nice Envoy. Alright, we'll shut the vehicle off and we'll check out the rest. Very comfortable seating back here. Get your rear climate control over here. Get your zones there. Get your power outlet there. Easy to use cup holder. Little storage space back here. Storage space on the right hand side and the left hand side. Very comfortable seats back here. Put your coat hanger there. This is probably messed up or loose there. That can be fixed. This looks like the insulation there. Got the manual passenger seat. So I got an extra keyless entry remote in here. Well guys, hope you all enjoyed the in-depth tour of the 2003 GMC Envoy. Be sure to stay tuned. There's lots more where this came from. Take care everybody.